Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view videos in slow motion on Instagram. Now before we start, I have to notify you that Instagram does not have a built-in slow motion feature, but you can still view videos in slow motion using simple methods. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to download the video from Instagram using a screen recorder or a third-party app, and ensure you have permission from your phone. Now you can find the screen recorders in the Play Store right here. You can find these apps and install one and give it the permission to record your screen, and once you install it, you can use it and record the video and then play it using your profile. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to connect my phone again. See here, enable. As I said, you're gonna use the video, your own video player to play in slow motion the video on Instagram. Let's see here. I'm gonna start broadcasting, and that's it. Now my phone went off, so I'm just gonna tell you the other steps. It doesn't require my phone. The second step is to open the video in your phone's gallery, as I said, or a video editing app like iMovies on iOS or InShots, and apply the slow motion effect using the app's editing tools. Now you can also, after you are done doing that, save the video and enjoy watching it in slow motion. For additional tips, some third-party video players allow you to slow down playback directly without editing the video. Be mindful of copyright when downloading or editing videos from other creators. And although Instagram doesn't natively support slow motion playback, these simple workarounds makes it easy to enjoy videos at a slower speed. Now that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.